everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Rondevo's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign out of your Rondevo's account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Rondevo login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. On the next page, tap on login option and log into your account by entering your email address as well as password associated with your Rondevo's account. It will take you to the official page of Rondevo. Now, to log out of your Rondevo's account, click on human icon on the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down and at the end tap on logout option. It will log you out of your Rondevo's account in no time. This is how you can log out of your Rondevo's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.